Today we are discussing the concept of class. So what is class? So a class is a group of objects which have common properties, like like a vehicle. Vehicle is a class. Otherwise, car is a class. But whenever we are saying about Maruti Suzuki or Honda, this is type of car. This is object. So it is a class. So class is a blueprint or template of an object, and it is not physically entity, it is a logical entity. So a class contain field, method, constructor, blocks, and nested class. Field means suppose variables. Method means functions. Constructor means which is used to provide initialization to the one to that particular object of that particular class. Blocks is another thing, and whenever we are using linked list type thing, we use nested classes. So here is the syntax of the class. So class name, curly braces, field, and nested field and method, and curly braces closed. When suppose here are two classes and we are using a id, and here we are writing a class A and class B, and in that class B we are writing the main method, and we saved a file that suppose a name.java. Whenever we are seeing that in our directory, that two dot class file will be created for class A and for class B, and based upon class name, two dot class file will be named. Whenever we are executing one dot class file, it required main method. So which class have main method, it will be compiled and interpreted by JVM and gives us output. Whenever we are using public class, in case of public class, we save that file which is same as name as public class, otherwise it give as error. And a class can have three type of variables. One is local variable, one is instance variable, and mm, other is class variable. So what is local variable? Local variable means it is declared inside any method. What is a class level variable? So whenever we are using static keyword in before any variable, this is known as mm, class level variable. And what is instance variable? Whenever we are declaring any variable outside method but without any static keyword, it is called as instance variable.